Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirvant. If you want to start your programming journey or understood what language to pick, we are right place. Okay, let's get started with the C and Python. Okay, what is the difference between C and Python? First of all, what is C? Okay, C is nothing but a programming language. But which type of programming language? It is a procedure-oriented programming language. You don't know procedure oriented, but let us I can explain you what is procedure oriented. Okay, so procedure oriented programming language means the language which can follow step by step instruction like a recipe. The flows that you can step by step instruction you can execute one thing, that is the procedure oriented. For the Python is a object oriented programming language. Object oriented means there is a class concept in there. Okay, class or object concept. You don't know, I know, but later we can discuss about very clearly. Next is data type declaration is required for the C language. Means you must declare which type of data you can use. Int for integer, float means you can decimal used, like that. You can declare the types of data type. Okay, but in Python there is no declaration of types of data because it is dynamic. It will automatically fetch which type of data you can use. Next is it is support in C. It is support single and multi-level multidimensional array. It can support single and multidimensional array. Okay, but Python only support multidimensional array, but single dimensional not it will be support. It will support through a library like the library name is what numpy. In numpy it will be used single dimensional array, but in basically in normal it is not used. Okay, then array index is positive. Okay, in C array index is positive, but array index both positive and negative in Python. Okay, means it will be allow both positive and negative type of indexing. If we use indexing negative, then the what does it mean? It can gives the reverse or the backside of the string or list. Okay, but in C it will be only positive and it execute faster. C is execute very fast, but in comparison to C it will be slower than C Python. It support while loop, do while loop, for loop, and switch statement. But Python allow all, but not support do while loop. Okay, it will be support while loop, for loop, but do while loop it is does not support it. Thank you all. Okay, next we can go for the another difference between between Python and Java. Okay, thank you.